2 right, 150 up the middle, 1 left, 60. Flat 1 left again, line, stay middle over bumps, 400. 3 right cut into left over crest, 60. Slippy, 2 left, 250 over bumps. Care, 6 left.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 300. Forget about your arrows. Brake before the crest. Keep right 40. Sudden square left. Escape. Sudden square left. Escape. Drive it. 130. 6 right plus. 40. 6. 40. Absolute 2 left. 60. 2 right, care, very tight, 4 left through the bridge, tightens, care, tightens through the bridge. Absolute 1 right, 170, absolute 1 right over crest, 60, 1 left, 40, 6 left at past pole, 6 left, care now, 40, 6 left past the pole, 60, absolute 1 right over bump, 100, care, 4 left in, carry a bit, line over the bumps, care, 250, absolute 3 left opens into long, absolute 1 left, 40, absolute 2 right, very tight, 60, care, back for long, 2 left, tightens very late, crest immediate, 6 left, 6 left, and 6 right plus, 6, and long 5 right, go, 250 over bumps, long 5, go, late, long 5 right, at gate, tightens hard and it's deceptive. 80, max tight 4 right. 100. Max 3 left, carry into absolute 2 right. 100. 5 left plus, tightens hard. 80. Long 5 right plus, opens late. Long 5, opens late. 80, absolute 2 right, and absolute 2 right long, 150. Long absolute 1 right by the wall, it is absolute, tightens a bit over the bump, 130. 2 left long, 80, immediate brake for 5 left tight, glassy. 60, max 4 right, 130, 5 left plus, glassy-ish, opens, 5. And tight 5 left, tightens hard and it's tight. 40, 5 right and 6 right plus at bush, opens into 4, absolute 4 right long, and 5 left tightens, 4 right long and 5 left tightens. 80, absolute 2 right opens, 80, line for max 3 right plus at pole, 60, absolute 1 right over crest, 170, absolute 1 left, 130, 4 left plus, 4 left plus, and 1 left into chicane, max 5 right into 5 left plus, and 5 right into absolute 3 left, and absolute 3 right, and 3 right over crest, slowing immediate, 5 left long, tightens in late, carry it. And 40, absolute 2 right, absolute 1 right, 60, absolute 2 right opens into 3 left long, 3 left long, 40, care, slowing 3 right over crest, slowing 5 left grippy, and sudden 5 right, absolute, don't cut it. 80, and absolute 80, absolute 2 left long, and absolute 2 left in, into absolute 2 left long. 130, 4 right tightish, 4 right tightish, 40, care, 3 left slowing into hairpin rights, you'll see it, sorry, glassy, hairpin right, glassy. 60, long 6 left plus, glassy. 60, max 3 right, 60, max tight 3 right in, 60, very slippy 6 left, you'll see it. Max 3 right in, very slippy 6 left, you'll see it. and absolute 4 right, 60. Absolute crest 130. Absolute 1 right over crest 60. Absolute 1 left over crest 40. Middle over absolute crest, follow the poles 40. Absolute crest jump 130. Absolute 1 left 40. A bit of care for 2 right over crest. 2 right over crest 80. Absolute 2 left 40. Crest 60. Absolute 2 left, line 3 left, max keeps going, immediate brake, crest into sudden 6 left over bump. Immediate 6 left over bump. And absolute left over crest. 60. Rightish over absolute left over crest jump 80. Absolute left over crest jump 100, slowing back for 5 right. Slowing back 5 right and 5 left through the dip, line 4 right. 5 left through the dip, line 4 right, 3 left in, slowing 40 back, sudden square right, very tight into the bridge. And square left, go. 80, 5 right, crest, sudden 5 left, tightens. 40, tightens. Back, care, long 4 right, crest, and 5 right through dip. And 3 right through the bridge. And max 4 left long, tightens a bit. 80, crest, into sudden 3 left, 40 very sudden 5 left, 40 6 right at gate, 5 left plus over bump, and absolute 4 right over crest carry, tight 4 left in, 6 40 over bump, long 5 right tightens a bit, and absolute 3 left and late 4 left, absolute 3 left and late 4 left, 60 5 right plus, and don't cut square left, very narrow, remember it, through the bridge. And 6 right tightens very hard, tightens. Absolute left over crest bump and long 3 right tightish, max. 40, care 4 right, very sudden 6 left tightens. 80, line for 5 left plus, and max 3 right long tightens over bad bump, keep in. Tightens over bad bump, keep in. 100 over absolute crest, absolute 1 right long over crest 300, absolute 1 right long over crest 300, absolute crest jump 100, absolute 1 right 80, line for absolute 2 right, okay, immediate brake 80 for 6 right plus escape, and long 2 left, so slowing into sudden 6 right through bridge, and immediate 6 right into 6 left, 6 left into 6 right, and absolute 3 left long over finish 60 hairpin left, absolute 3 left long, keep her at it, hairpin left, and